Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit menu in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Now click on this website button below the website you want to edit the menu on. Now click on Pages. This is my menu element from here, and let's say that you want to rename your menu from here. Just click on this little gear icon next to the menu you want to rename, and in the navigation title you can give it your name just like that. Click on save. As you can see, it is instantly updated here. Let's say that you want to add a drop down menu in your main navigation. Click on this plus icon, scroll down to the bottom and click on drop down. Now give your drop down menu a name, for example drop down menu, and start adding your pages. You can create a new blank page just like that, blank page, and you can add your existing pages just like that. Copy it and drag and drop it just like that. To preview your work, just click on this little arrow and you can preview your drop down menu, for example. Let's go back to the editing mode. Now to edit your menu navigation, click on any page of your website. Let's go with this work for me page. Then click on this edit button. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Then click on edit site header and click on navigation, this little pen, and you can reorder. Let's say I want the contact page to be the first in the list. As you can see, it was updated in a second. You can also edit the spacing between these navigation elements. Click on first, select the header section, then click on edit design, and you can adjust the element spacing and also the link spacing just like that. And this is how to edit your menu in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.